In this video, I'll show you how to diversify your portfolio on Robinhood step by step. Diversifying your investments can help reduce risk by spreading your money across different types of assets instead of relying on a single stock. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap the search icon and explore different stocks, ETFs, or other available investments. Before buying anything, open each investment to review its performance, company details, and the industry it belongs to. Try choosing investments from different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, and energy, rather than putting all of your money into one area. You can also consider adding ETFs to gain exposure to a wider range of companies with a single investment. Once you've decided what to invest in, tap the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm your purchase. Repeat this process as you continue building your portfolio over time. After making your investments, visit your portfolio regularly to monitor performance and see whether one investment has grown much larger than the others. If needed, adjust your holdings to maintain a balanced mix that matches your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember that diversification does not eliminate investment risk, so always do your own research before making investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.